What if the next big gold discovery is just beneath your feet?
In our part of the world, Western United States, water is a very precious commodity. So we're going to employ dry stack tailings to store the ground material that, once we've extracted the copper and gold mineralization, and then conserve and then put the land back to the way it was.
The second part involves the sale of some valuable debris from the mine site.
U.S. Gold Corp is exploring this possibility with 3 projects, one in Nevada, another in Idaho, and their flagship development project in Wyoming.
What we decided to do with the CK Gold project is we knew that we had 1 million ounces of gold and 260 million pounds of copper. And rather than just drilling for the sake of drilling, we decided to conserve shareholder capital and put a value proposition around what we have, and then ensure that we could actually get the permit associated with the project. So we've done that. We now are fully permitted, and we know that the resource continues below the current operation, and we have a good trend to the southeast. So we know that the resources are going to grow.
In terms of ESG mining, U.S. Gold has a simple plan on 2 fronts.
Initially, we're looking at a 10-year mine plan. We're going to be mining an open pit mine. It's just like the quarry just down the road, so they're familiar with the kind of mining that we're going to do. We're going to generate a concentrate. That concentrate will be shipped off-site to a concentrator. So really, there are no emissions on site. We've identified that the rock that we're going to be mining is good for our own purposes, but we can also sell the rock to our local market along the Colorado Front Range. We can create a win-win situation with the state of Wyoming, pay them a royalty for the rock, and also generate income from the rock, which would otherwise just be reclaimed and revegetated.
There has been substantial work on a feasibility study for the CK project.
The study shows a project which is very robust at $2,100 gold and $410 copper. And you see that gold is flirting with $3,000 per ounce and $450. So as we look at the economics associated with the project, our project pays back in less than 2 years. And at this point of the game, we've taken the risk off the table associated with permitting.
There is much optimism surrounding the CK Gold asset in a state that wants mining.
Wyoming, a great jurisdiction. We know the rules of the game there. Great support from the authorities and local population. Great time to have an asset ready to go.
You can follow their progress and check out their other projects in Idaho and Nevada on their website. They're at usgoldcorp.com.